When is the best time to invest? And I'm not talking about just investing in the stock market or in real estate. I'm talking about investing in yourself, in your business, in your growth. Well, honestly, the best time to invest is really all the time. However, one of the things that a lot of people get wrong is they think that it doesn't make as much sense to invest when maybe they're facing challenges. Maybe there's a looming recession or there's challenges that are out there in the marketplace, right? Maybe they're facing business challenges. What I'll argue is similar to investing in the stock market, similar to investing in real estate, the best time to make an investment is actually when you're facing challenges and hardships, especially as an overall, whether it be economy or industry or yourself individually. And the reason for that is that can be the inflection point in the strategy that you need to actually see the results you're looking for. Now, this is something that I practice when I preach this. I am constantly investing in myself, in my business growth, and especially if I see a plateau or a little bit of a dip on the business side, regardless of what it is. It doesn't have to just be revenue. If it's something where it's like, hey, we need to improve in this area, in our sales, we need to improve in our delivery, if we need to improve in how we have our content mapped out or our HubSpot, whatever it is, I want to make investments if I start to notice either a plateau or a dip, because that's the catalyst that actually gets you out of that situation, right? That's the strategy that actually is going to allow you to see the results that you're looking to have. Now, here's the thing, it's very counterintuitive. Logically, right? You want to sell high and buy low. So therefore, you want to invest when the prices are lower. If there's a stock market crash, right, you want to invest when things go down, because then you're buying at a discount knowing that they're going to go up in the future. Even if they go down a little bit more, ultimately the long-term trajectory that you're looking for within a market, right, or whatever it happens to be, is ultimately going to go up. And so what you want to do is you want to make those investments when things do go down so you can actually help you get to that next point. Similar to investing in the stock market or investing in real estate, a great time to invest in yourself and your business is if you are facing certain challenges. Because here's the thing, if you're facing challenges without changing the strategy, then that's a sign that you need a catalyst. You need something that's actually going to change where you're at right now to get where you want to go. And so that's one of the big things that I've really noticed is similar to, it's easy for everybody to say, oh, you got to buy low, sell high. It's very easy for people to say when the stock market goes down, that's when you got to invest, but not many people do. Only the smartest investors do, and the same thing is actually true in business as well. The smartest investors know that if they're faced with a challenge, if they're faced with a downturn, whether it be on a macro scale, right, whether it's the economy, or it's on an individual scale, maybe your business has individual challenges, the best thing to do is actually to invest in a catalyst that's going to change it. Now, I'm not saying just throw your money anywhere. The market downturns, you want to invest in some kind of crazy stock that's not worth anything. You want to invest in what's tried and true, what you know is going to work within the industry. It's the same thing here within investing in your business or yourself. You want to invest in what you know is going to work, but remember, what you know is going to work is based on other people in your industry. So for instance, we train a lot of people in YouTube ads and in video clients, and video clients actually teaches people how to turn videos into high-paying clients, even without using paid ads. We, of course, have our paid ad strategy as well. And that strategy is actually a recession-proof skill. Regardless of what's going on right now, you can learn how to turn videos into high-paying clients. We talked about this in one of our last videos. I'll link that up above. What's the best recession-proof skill to learn? It's turning videos into high-paying clients. I break down some of the strategies around that. But that particular strategy, right, is something that is going to be able to help people if they are in that negative space, right? Whether it happens to be an industry or happens to be an individual business or an individual. And so that can be the catalyst that you need and the strategy that you need to get where you're looking to go. The challenge is, and the problem is, a lot of people, they look at a challenging time and they want to freeze up. They want to say, oh man, I'm just going to protect everything. I don't want to spend more, when that's actually the best time to invest. It really is, because that's when you can actually take that next step towards your business. Now, I saw this a couple of years ago when everything was happening in the world, And I said, hey, now is the time to double down on our ads. Now is the time to double down on what we do. And that was a big catalyst in scaling my own business to over 8 figures, landing number 87 on the Inc. 5000 list, even during all of the craziness that we've had over these last couple of years. And not just investing in that, I invested in many different mentors. I invested over 6 figures in a mindset coach. I invested in new trainings on the sales side, new trainings on all of these different areas that I was looking to improve myself in, combined it with my own knowledge and expertise of marketing and advertising and videos, and put it all together. And I was able to not only do well during some of those challenges, but actually thrive. And it's the same thing that you can do in your business as well. So regardless of what happens here, by the way, I'm not trying to make this a video on the economy or things like that, right? There's plenty of other channels to talk about that. What I'm trying to talk about is the understanding of when to invest. This doesn't even have to be overall. This could be in your own individual business. The best time to invest is when you realize that you need a catalyst for change. Because if you see yourself starting to plateau or go down, you need to invest and change that right now and create that catalyst for continued growth, for continued expansion, for whatever that next step is in your business. So I hope you found this video valuable. If you want some free resources, we also have the recession-proof skill video. We teach you our recession-proof skill, which is turning videos into high-paying clients. You can click the link up above. We'll put an annotation down below. We also have trainings on how you can craft these conversion-based videos, video clients, YouTube ads, trainings as well, all down below. But thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the bell notification icon so you never miss a video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.